If your child wants to play college sports, there's something most families discover way too late. The recruiting process is not random. It is structured. And if you don't understand how the system works, it's very easy to miss opportunities even if your child is talented. I'm Keith Mondillo, and I'm a college basketball coach and athletic director, and I just finished my 31st year working inside college athletics. Over those 3 decades, I've watched hundreds of families go through recruiting, and almost every parent starts with the same questions. Are we doing this the right way? What level should we be targeting? When should we contact coaches? And the one I hear the most often, are we already behind? The challenge is not effort. Parents work incredibly hard supporting their kids. The challenge is that most families start the recruiting process without understanding how it actually works. So they chase exposure. They play in more tournaments. They go to more showcases. They wait for coaches to contact them. And the process becomes reactive instead of strategic. And I've seen talented athletes miss real opportunities not because they weren't good enough, but because their families simply didn't understand the system. In over 30 years in college athletics, I can tell you something very clearly. The families who navigate recruiting successfully are not always the most talented. They're the most prepared. They understand how coaches build rosters. They understand where opportunity actually exists. And they move through the recruiting process with structure. When families understand the system, recruiting becomes calmer. It's more organized and far more intentional. After answering these same questions from parents year after year, I realized something. Families didn't just need answers. They needed a system that explains how college athletic recruiting really works and shows families exactly how to navigate it. That's why I created the College Recruiting On-Ramp System. Inside the program, I guide families through the recruiting process from a college coach's perspective. And the On-Ramp Implementation Guide allows parents to lead step-by-step execution at home. So the education is coach-led and the implementation is parent-led. Inside the on-ramp system, families receive 4 key parts of the recruiting framework. First, the 4 core recruiting guides: the athletic recruiting roadmap, the parents recruiting survival guide, don't pick the wrong school, and the on-ramp implementation guide. Second, access to the on-ramp course, where I explain how recruiting actually works from a coach's perspective. Third, families who choose the full program participate in 4 live cohort sessions where parents can ask questions and refine their recruiting strategy. And finally, access to a private parent community navigating the same process. This program isn't just information. It's a structured system designed to help families understand recruiting and implement it correctly. The goal of the on-ramp system is simple: to move families from confusion to clarity, from guessing how recruiting works to understanding the system, and from reacting to recruiting to leading the process with confidence. If you'd like to navigate recruiting with a real plan instead of guessing your way through it, you can review the on-ramp options below. I'd be honored to guide your family through the recruiting process the right way. Take care.